Hey Shopify store owners, especially those running ads and tracking sales, listen carefully. A big update called Checkout Extensibility is rolling out by August 28, 2025. And if you don't act, your tracking could stop working overnight. In the next few minutes, I will explain what the problem is, how to check if your store is affected, which method will be better for tracked budget and server-side tracking, and the best way to fix it before the deadline. Until now, Shopify allowed you to put Google Tag Manager, tracking pixel, and custom code directly into the order status page section. But after this update, that section is being removed or grayed out. If your tracking code lies there, it will no longer run after the checkout update. That means no purchase data growing to Meta, Google, TikTok, and other platforms. Broken ROS reporting, campaign running blind for ad-driven stores that basically flying without instruments. Here's how to check your store. Go to settings, then checkout. If you see a red banner saying your store needs to upgrade to Checkout Extensibility, you are affected. Scroll down. If the order status page custom code box is grayed out, your old tracking method is on broad tie. Go to settings, customer events, create a new custom pixel. Paste your upgraded Google Tag Manager or tracking code here. This works for all the page, checkout, thank you page, and the rest of the funnel. So if you want to install budget and server-side tracking for your Meta, Google Analytics 4, Google Ads, TikTok, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Snapchat, and etc. and other social media sites, you can follow 3 methods. First method, install official app like Facebook and Instagram app, Google and YouTube app, TikTok, Pinterest, and other apps from the Shopify app store. But when you use these apps, and this times you are facing some problems. Suppose when we are tracking MetaPixel using Facebook and Instagram app, this times we are facing lots of problems. Our event manager diagnosis show some problems like pricing and value missing, content ID missing, currency missing, redundant versus events, external ID missing, event ID missing, and we didn't show our event coverage. But if Meta always suggest we need to improve our event coverage, it will be 75% up. But when we are using Facebook and Instagram apps, this times we didn't show this event coverage percentage, and our event match quality is very low. Even deduplication problem, and a big problem is when we run catalog ads campaign. There's times we can face a catalog match rate problem in Commerce Manager. Second method is Elevar. As a web and server-side tracking specialist, I said Elevar is so much good even setup tools. Actually, when you use Elevar, that times you can send accurate data and you can collect accurate data and you can optimize your ads. It will be better for you, for your business. But some business owners, they are said Elevar is very expensive for us because Elevar have a monthly plan. They have 3 plans like Essential, Growth, and Business plan. When you use Essential plan, that means you need to provide $200 every month. When you use Growth plan, that means you need to provide $450 $950 per month. Business $950 per month. That's why new business owner they are said this is very expensive for us. That's why we are created custom JavaScript code to enable data layer. Yeah, this is our third method. When you follow third method, this times you can track every analytics platform and ads platforms, and you can collect accurate data, and you can optimize your ads, and you can improve your business. So you can follow our third method, and we are using custom code for enable data layer. And if you want to track the Meta Pixel, Google Analytics 4, Google Ads, and other social media site tracking, you need to follow this data layer. And how to enable this data layer? If we go to our screen, then you can see this our live on first project. I can see in this. Okay. Then portfolio live website, standard events, and Google Tag Manager, and you can tag these events. Actually, these events provide Shopify. Okay, then here 30 standard events, and set up a Google Tag Manager. Also add Shopify data layer on customer events, and here we are created on customer events, and I paste Google Tag Manager and Shopify data layer all the events. And set up purchase trigger, and you can see checkout underscore completed. It is our purchase events trigger. Okay, then yeah, now you can see this our purchase event, and here you can see customer information. Every customer information we can push on our data layer. And Google Analytics 4 data layer, you can see this Google Analytics 4 schema wise data layer, as well as you can see Google Ads remarketing schema wise enable data layer, Facebook schema wise data layer suppose, and TikTok schema wise data layer suppose. Facebook said content IDs, but TikTok said content ID. Same Pinterest schema wise data layer, Pinterest said photo underscore ID, and here have some difference. But and Snapchat said your items underscore ID, but every parameters value is same, but every platforms they are said different in name. Okay, then you can see page view events. Okay, and view item events, and every data available here, like item ID, item variant, item name, item category, item brand, every events and parameters here available. Which type of events on your website available, you can add these events here. So here add to cart events. Okay, then view item list events, search events, remove from cart events, and add contact info, add address info, add shipping info, add payment info, and at the last purchase events. You can enable this data layer and send these events and parameters on your analytics platform and ads platform. If you don't move your tracking now, you risk losing accurate data on every sales. That means your ad won't optimize and your cost per sales will grow up. I help Shopify store owners migrate their tracking to be 100% checkout extensibility ready. Whether that's a custom pixel setups, Elevar server-side tracking, or our custom code. That deadline in August 28, 2025. Don't wait until your number drops. Fix it now. Contact me today and let's keep your tracking alive. Stay compliant, stay profitable. I am Alamin. I am web and app analytics tracking expert, and I will make sure your tracking several Shopify biggest checkout chains in years. So, see you soon.